So I made a tree. It looks kind of. I try to make it as realistic as it could be. Like I put like leafy, dangly stuff. I put moss at the ends of it. Painted it. Oh, the way I painted it was so cool. I painted it, so I painted it all brown, and then I took white paint to paint like these little things going on right here, like the little streaks you see. It looks like real tree pattern because I did it with the way I did it was like paper mache. So I had these ribbons cut out. So these tissue like ribbon stuff. Like these are streamers. So I had this paper plus white glue, and then I did paper mache with it. So I did paper mache like this, and then I was like, let me just put paper mache on purple, like on wire I had, and it was the only purple wire I had. So I legit took wires like this, and then made the tree out of it, made it into like a tree shape, and then see like the wire, you see it at the end of it like that, and then I put paper mache all over it with glue and this thing. So they're legit streamers. So the streamers like this, but in white or any color you could pick. Cut it in pieces and make it with glue, because newspaper is too heavy, paper itself is too thick. So I was like, this is like see-through-ish, so you could do a lot of layers with it, you know. Look, so I did a lot of layers with it. So that's cool. So I did that, and then I waited until it was dried, so it has this texture with it too. Paper doesn't have this texture. It's only this ribbed streamer that has like a, you see like that, like natural like print to it, or like feel to it. So I'm like, painting over it would be awesome. So I did it, and then I made the tree pattern like that. So I put dark brown underneath and put gray over it, like slightly, so it looks like there's patterns to it. Whoa. And then I also did it with this. So basically the green stuff, the green thing is this wired wine. So it's like wired plant stuff. And then I painted that too to match the tree stump color. So I kind of like did random painting over the leaves. And then yeah, so this is what I mean with the how texture it comes. So I did a solid color first, solid color of green, and then light green on top. So this is how it makes it look textured, because it's actually textured, you know. So when you put like a thin coat on top of it as a brush, it shows a pattern. Doesn't this look like a watermelon? It looks like a watermelon. Or like a green circle. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing all the past few days, and then I put moss at the ends of it. Like, it looks so cool. Like, I want to put this moss like somewhere around here also, maybe, or I'll see. But isn't it so cool? Like, whoa, it's a tree. I was like, let me put this tree somewhere here. Where am I gonna put all these projects, dude? And so the moss is like legit, like moss, like, but it's like fake because it's for arts and crafts. But it's like little pieces of moss, fake moss. Yeah.